What's up guys? This time I'm doing another coffee video. I thought that I might make one about how I clean and maintain this machine. It's a big part of owning these machines, making sure it's cleaned and maintained well. First thing I do is take the plastic container that holds all the water that goes through the machine and ends up here. I don't really know how it ends up in this plastic container, the water I mean, but it does, and you need to empty it once every week or 2 weeks, and of course it depends on how much you use the machine. Another thing is that you shouldn't need to wash this as thoroughly as I do. I mean, with the dish soap and scrubbing and everything. You should be able to just rinse it off and dry it and put it back together and start using it again. I just like having it clean. Also, I do it for every part here. So the container, the biggest one, I just cleaned. On top of that comes this kind of, I don't really know, I guess it holds the coffee grounds on the left there. And the last one, the metal part on the right side of the screen, is the part that obviously is visible when you use the machine and when you have the machine put back together. So now that all of the parts are clean, I just dry them off with this towel. I just thoroughly go through them. I'm not too concerned if I leave a little bit of water, like 1 drop or so, because they will dry. And really the only one that I feel like needs to be well cleaned or well dried is the metal part, because that's the one that's gonna be visible. Then we'll move to the machine itself. I kind of spray some cleaning product on the black splash and remove all the coffee marks that came to there from coffee dripping and it's splashing from the mug to the backsplash. I kind of lightly wipe the base or the black part there and just inspect that everything's looking clean and wipe the kind of user interface there very quickly. If there's any coffee stains or whatever on the countertop, I also wipe that at the same time. Then we are ready to put it back together. This is quite easy and I'm not gonna walk you through it. You can see in the video it's very easy and straightforward. If you get this machine, you cannot possibly do this any other way than the right way. After we are done with this stage, I just put my coffee mug on top of the machine. And after that, the last step is to fill the water reservoir. You can actually lift it up and take it to your sink and fill it there, but I feel like the water jug is easier way. That way you don't have to lift and fill it up and then put it back to place. And yeah, that's it. The machine is cleaned, and this is something that I tend to do every week or so. Depends on how dirty the machine will get and how quickly, but every 2 weeks at least. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.